Stories by a preschooler by Nolan. Go ahead, Nolan, tell your story.
Go. You could do it. Yeah, you can do it. Yeah, you can do it. And you could get superhero clothes. Superhero clothes.
What's your story about, Noli?
I do go outside. I go on a ride.
Oh, you went outside and you went on a ride?
Yeah.
Did you build this ride?
Yeah.
You did? Oh my goodness, was it really big?
Yeah.
Was it fun?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I tried to Scooby-Doo.
Oh, and it sings Skippity Doo Dah?
Yeah.
Oh, is that your favorite ride ever? Yeah? Love it.
I go on pirates.
Oh, on Pirates? Pirates of the Caribbean?
Yeah.
Oh, that's your favorite ride too, huh? Which one of your other favorites? Yes, love, hold on. Me too.
And
Oh, wow. Great story, Nolan. Thank you for sharing.
water.